channel, guys. So today we are going to resolve the exam error, which is MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. So guys, you all are getting this kind of error frequently, and I am also getting this kind of error frequently, which I maximum stuck with about 2 to 3 hours to solve this issue. But in this video I will let you know that how you can solve this in 1 to 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. So follow these steps and work with me. So for to solve this, first of all we will press Windows R and type CMD, and once the CMD has been started, here you can write netstat minus a and o and find str space is to port number 3306 and hit enter. And here you can see, guys, we got the two PID port ID 6088 and 18776 running on the same port. TCP which is 3306 and the 3306. So after that we will go to the task manager and search with the name of 6088 in the details tab, and here you can see the details tab and click here and write 6088, and here you can see the MariaDB is running 6088. So we will end this task and end this process. And the another one is 18776. So we're gonna find 18776, and here the another MySQL is running, and we will end this task here. So after doing this, we return here in our CMD and write the same command netstat -ano find str space is to 3306 and hit enter. And here you can see there is no port running on this, so we go to our XAMPP control panel and we can click on start on the both and see whether it is working or not. And guys, finally you can see the XAMPP control panel and the MySQL is working fine. For the verification, we can go to the admin panel and we will see that whether it is working or not. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe this channel to learn more. We are frequently getting this kind of error, and I'm going to resolve all the error and post in this channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.